This compact 12-inch brushless cordless chainsaw, marketed under several brand listings and appearing on as compatible with DeWalt 20V Max batteries, targets homeowners and hobbyists who need a portable, low-maintenance saw for trimming and light cutting. Key specs pulled from the product listing include a 12-inch bar, a brushless motor, which typically offers better efficiency and longer motor life versus brushed motors, advertised chain speeds around 26 feet s, compatibility with DeWalt 20V Max battery platforms, battery not included in many listings, an auto oiler for chain lubrication, and a lightweight profile often under 5 pounds for easier handling. On the product page and cross listings, users note that brushless performance makes the saw punch above its size for quick cuts and that the ability to use popular 20V battery platforms is a major convenience for those already invested in cordless tools. Typical customer praise highlights the lightweight ergonomics, quick power delivery, and the easy chain tensioning assembly. Common constructive notes warn that runtime depends entirely on battery capacity, buy a higher capacity battery for longer sessions, and that for heavy or continuous cutting a larger bar and more powerful motor would be preferable. If you want to buy this compact cordless option, we share by links in description box.